This is the urine mold mycotoxin test kit. Everything that you need to know, what it looks like, and why it's important. This is one of the main tests that I run in my integrative health practice. There are 4 main foundational tests that I run to identify the root cause, and I can almost guarantee you that your doctor has not ran them, but this is one of the main ones. So this is the urine mycotoxin test for mold toxicity. The main reason I use this, a lot of people ask about blood versus urine. I actually have a video explaining that, but this is the easiest one to check for what kind of mycotoxins are in your system. I also like this over blood because blood will show if there is mold exposure. It's not going to show you exactly which ones. And on top of that, it's not going to show how well you are detoxing and metabolizing it. So this is the one that I use in my practice because it is great at seeing what the levels look like. Also, it's great for retesting as we are going through a personalized detox protocol to see how well we are moving and progressing in the detox protocol. When you order it, it comes in a little kit like this. They ship it directly to your house. It's super simple. In here, it'll have a little instruction thing along with little stickers. This has my name on it that you'll just peel these off and put this on the sample. But it's super easy. Essentially what happens is you're going to get a little bag like this that has a cup inside of it. It has a sealed bag in here and a biohazard bag. So the way you'll use this test is the night before. So I have a couple ways that I instruct my clients to do this, and I like to provoke the test to make sure that we get the most accurate results. A lot of times people have all the symptoms that point towards mold toxicity, and then they do a test and it could be a false negative. If your detox pathways are super sluggish, it's going to be hard to detect anything. So what I always instruct for my clients is there's 2 ways you can provoke the test to make sure you get the most accurate result. Is the night before, you can use something like a sauna, like a dry sauna that's going to get sweat going because that sauna is going to mobilize the toxins. And then the next morning, before you had anything to eat or drink, you're going to pee in the cup and it's going to be a urine sample showing what is being actively excreted. Another way that's really easy to do it is if you just use glutathione. So make sure it's a quality source, it's liposomal, not capsules or anything like that. When you wake up in the morning, because you need to do this fasted, don't take any supplements or anything. I usually have people do 2 pumps of the liposomal glutathione that I like, and I can put that in the description. And then an hour later, after the glutathione, because that glutathione is going to open up some of the liver pathways, you're going to pee in this cup and we're going to get a true assessment. So when you get your test kit, all you're going to do, morning of, pee in the cup before breakfast, provoke it one way or the other. You're then going to put it in this little, so you have this little biohazard bag. It's got a little paper towel looking slip in case there's any kind of liquid that comes out. And then there's also an ice pack in here. So after your sample, you're going to put it all back in here. Obviously, this would be in the biohazard bag. To put all that back in there. You're going to seal it up. And then you're going to freeze it for 24 hours. Now, after you have it frozen for 24 hours, there's also on here, it's going to tell you everything that I'm going through as well of how to collect it, how to put this back in there, what this means. It's essentially everything that I just said. So after you freeze it for 24 hours, all you have to do, put it back in the box. Make sure that you put your name and sample number on that collection kit. So when they get it, they can just scan the barcode. Mine says Ashley Drummond's. They take the kit, they pull the sample out. You're then going to close the box. It's got your little kit ID here. And then it comes with a prepaid shipping bag. You're just going to put that test kit in the shipping bag, seal it, drop it off at a UPS. And that's your mycotoxin test kit. It's super simple. If you go to the link in the description to order this test, I have made access to my practitioner portal so that you can order this and have it shipped directly to you. When you go to do that, you'll see everything that is tested on that. You'll see some information about how mold mycotoxins affect the body. And then there's also an option on that you can view a sample report to see what the levels look like as well. So you can check all that out in the description in this video.